Hello everyone, this is Hadris with WTI, and today I have this statuette.
If you're into sculptures, this is a good choice. I like having it near the TV because it helps create a quiet atmosphere. It's funny because we always want silence when we watch TV, so this is the perfect spot. I've also thought that I would like to have it on a shelf with other sculptures and give it a more sophisticated touch. I love its style and the realistic details, especially the broken look, which make it even more special. It adds a unique touch to the room and really catches the eye of guests. We've had it for several years and still love it. If you're into statues or decorations like this, it's a good option to consider.
And that's my point of view.